Search how to make money online and you will get buried. You'll see thousands of videos promising $500 a day for taking surveys, clicking buttons, or using some mysterious AI app. Following that advice wastes your money and incinerates hundreds of hours of your limited free time on methods that were never going to work. Opportunities are everywhere, but the challenge is separating mathematically viable income streams from marketing hype designed solely to sell you a course. This video is going to cut through that noise. We are strictly evaluating authentic methods for building a genuine second income online, methods grounded in actual work, not miracles. To find those genuine methods, we need a strict filter. Any real opportunity has to pass 3 specific tests. First, the opportunity must pay you for something tangible. That means leveraging a demonstrable skill, your actual time, or something you've created from scratch. Second, it has to be completely upfront about the effort involved. Genuine paths do not promise overnight wealth. They are clear about the extensive timeline required to see a real return. Third, and most importantly, it cannot require you to pay someone else first just to learn how to begin. If an opportunity fails even one of those 3 tests, you should immediately discard it. Protecting your time from fake opportunities is the required first step to actually making money. This chart shows the central trade-off for any authentic online income. You are balancing the time it takes to earn your first dollar against the long-term scalability of the work. The first method sits right here, freelancing your existing skills. This requires taking a hard skill you already possess, like writing, video editing, or coding, or professional graphic design, and executing direct outreach to small businesses, or utilizing platform marketplaces like Upwork. Because you don't need to build an audience first, this is the absolute fastest route to generating your first online dollar. The transaction is direct and immediate. But getting started takes a specific strategy. A new graphic designer, for instance, might intentionally take their first few gigs at a discounted rate. That underpricing is a necessary temporary phase. You trade early profit to secure 5-star reviews and build a demonstrable track record. Once you have that proof, you raise your rates. The structural catch to this method is the ceiling. Your income is directly tethered to the physical hours you can work. You only get paid when you are actively producing. So freelancing solves the immediate cash flow problem for those with hard skills. It puts money in your pocket quickly, but it will never solve the long-term leverage problem. Moving toward the center of our chart, we find the second method, teaching or coaching what you already know intimately. The required input here is possessing deep, tested knowledge on a specific topic. You use that expertise to guide beginners one-on-one through the exact hurdles you've already cleared. You start with one-on-one tutoring or coaching calls, but not just for the hourly rate. You use this initial phase strictly as a testing ground to identify exactly which problems people will actually pay to solve. That early grind always pays off later. By listening to direct customer feedback, you eventually scale those lessons into group programs or paid communities, helping multiple people at once. The honest timeline here can be challenging. The first several months are often financially flat, requiring heavy trial and error to see what resonates. We call this concept clarity first. The financial return in coaching always follows the clarity of your offering, not the other way around. You have to nail the curriculum before the revenue scales. Ultimately, teaching and coaching require trading immediate earning potential for the necessary customer research that allows for future scalability. That brings us to the top right of our chart, the third method, building an audience around something highly specific. This requires producing hyper-specific, consistent content through blogs, newsletters, or video over an extended time frame. You must be prepared to work for free. Many creators earn $0 for months, often over a year, before their audience reaches critical mass. This massive time delay exists for a simple reason. It takes immense time and proven consistency to attract and earn the trust of a truly engaged, specific group of people. But once you reach that critical mass, the dynamics completely flip. You unlock multiple, highly scalable monetization paths, from sponsorships and affiliate recommendations to selling your own digital products. This specific method is the one most often misrepresented by get-rich-quick schemes. They quietly borrow the appearance of audience building while intentionally hiding the grueling timeline required to achieve it. Success here does not require Hollywood-level gear. It rewards genuine specificity and relentless consistency, far more than high production quality. Audience building is the ultimate test of patience. You are trading a year of invisible, uncompensated labor for exponential long-term leverage. By now, the core truth of making money online should be clear. None of these authentic methods are passive from day one. Every single one requires a sacrifice of either your time or your effort. This chart is the scenario match. Your success depends entirely on matching the right method to your current life constraints. If you are a time-poor professional with existing hard skills, you must choose freelancing. You get paid the fastest, but you have to accept the ongoing grind of constant client acquisition. If you are a subject matter expert, coaching is your best fit. You get to leverage your deep knowledge, but you must accept the early friction of learning how to properly package and sell that knowledge to beginners. And if you are a patient builder willing to play the long game, audience building is your path. You gain ultimate scalability, but you have to accept working for $0 upfront. Knowing your path protects you from the final danger in this market, the illusion of a faster, easier fourth option. Be extremely cautious of anything promising large income without a clear one-sentence description of what work actually produces the money. Real money comes from real work. The ultimate red flag is the structure of the sale. If the main product being sold is the class teaching the method itself, or if it requires recruiting others to make a profit, it is an inauthentic trap. You need to pick exactly one path today. Do not attempt all three at once. Spreading your limited hours across 3 different strategies guarantees you will fail at all of them. Committing to a single, mathematically viable path and giving it actual time is your only true defense against shiny object syndrome that derails most beginners. Let me know in the comments which of the 3 paths you're choosing to focus on.